지금은 Sunshine 앞으로도 Sunshine 영원히 Sunshine. Hey guys, Sunny here, welcome back to my channel. And yeah, here we are already at day 10 of my Soshiversary series where I celebrate Girl Generation's 13th anniversary on August the 5th. And yeah, we're already at day 10 and in the year 2016, and I've been watching and recording so many reactions for Girl Generation in the past few days. It's been so much fun. I could never get tired of this. This is like really fun. And yeah, so we're in the year 2016 and I'm gonna be checking out today the MV and the live version of Girl Generation's song Sailing, or Sailing 0805. So I guess that's a reference to their anniversary because it was also released like on their anniversary or a day prior to that. In the year 2016, so this is obviously very fitting for the occasion, for the Soshiversary series. I just had to watch this, and yeah, Zoans have been requesting this for like a long time already. When I did my SNSD ballad live reaction, this always came up, but I haven't reacted to it, so I'm really excited to finally check this out. And yeah, it couldn't be at a better occasion. Day 10 of the Soshiversary. Let's enjoy Girl Generation with Sailing. In 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, this is an SM station song, and it has no subtitles, unfortunately. Oh, message in a bottle? Oh, this is animated? Maybe I should have watched the lyric version instead, but this is still pretty cool. Ooh. Oh, sailing into the night, okay. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh my god, I wish I had the whole lyric version, but it sounds so good. Oh, wait a second. Oh my god, I'm so dumb. Is this supposed to show like all the errors? Like this definitely looks like the boys. Oh my god, now I want to go back and guess all the... Oh my god, should we go... We go back, you know what? Now that I know this, I can look for this. Like, the first one should be Into the New World, right? Let's see if this makes sense, or if I can guess them all. Okay, I don't really see anything here. Red straw. This candy? I don't know, it's just really hard actually. This could be G maybe? There's a hat floating, whatever that means. Oh. Is this O? Yeah, this is O. This is O, definitely. So this is Run Devil Run. Previously we had Genie, the pink one, I guess. Okay, I'm glad I figured this out. Wait, what is this? What was between Run Devil Run and The Boys? Ah, oh my god. This is cool, this is really interesting. Very fitting for an anniversary video. This I Got a Boy has to be, right? Mister. Oh, I love this. I love this animation. Like the journey, it's basically what I'm doing during these 2 weeks here. Oh. Party? Whoa. Oh, Taeyeon. Is that Lionheart? Tiffany. Oh, I know it's true. Oh, Taeyeon. Stay together, sailing into the night on 바다의 깊은 어둠도 핑크빛으로 만들어준 널 위해 again and again and again. Oh, it's so precious. I love this. There's the beautiful harmony again. Oh. Oh. Oh, I love this video. Shows the whole journey and their bond. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. So at first I just thought it's just an animated video with some lyrics, and then I figured out it's basically their whole journey throughout their career, which is until of course until 2016. But yeah, this is basically what I am doing here in the last few days. So this couldn't have been more perfect, this video. I'm glad I figured this one out. And the song is just really beautiful, like the vocals, the harmonies, the instrumentation. It's just, oh, it's so heartwarming, to be honest. And I only understood the few English lines in here, but that already said it all and made it very beautiful, the message and everything, that SNSD, Zorns, they stay together no matter what. Yeah, it was really beautiful, and I can't wait to check out the live version actually, to actually see them perform this, because we didn't see any of them in this video, obviously. So yeah, let's check out the live version. Let's go. SNSD Sailing from the Holiday to Remember concert. And 3, 2, 1, go. Huh? Okay, there was a random cut. I just picked the most popular fan cam. Oh, he's so young. beautiful. Oh no, what are they doing? Different formation? Okay. Oh, look at all those pink lights down there. Oh, is she crying? Who was crying there? Who is that? Who's that right here? Oh, was that one of their last performances? Like this on the anniversary, but 1 year later? It must have been shortly before like Soyeon, Tiffany, and Sooyoung left, right? Oh my god. Oh, I'm getting goosebumps. Oh, they're both there. Oh, stop crying, girls. Oh, this is so beautiful. The stage. Wow. Wow. I don't think this was the full song, to be honest, but oh my god, nonetheless, this sounded amazing. I mean, you could see how they struggled, like some of them, they looked down during the performance because I guess they couldn't hold their tears. Who can blame them after all these years? And I don't know, like, was that the last performance, like, as, like, 8 members? I really don't know, but, like, based on the date they performed this, and knowing that Soyeon, Sooyoung, and Tiffany left in 2017, or, like, they didn't renew their contracts with SM. I know they're still part of Girl Generation, but this could very well have been like the last OT8 performance, but I'm not sure of that. Let me know in the comments. Anyways, this is such a beautiful song, and I really love this. I love the MV, like the journey throughout their careers that was portrayed there, and just the song is really beautiful. I've got to check out the lyrics. I guess that's making it even more meaningful. But yeah, this was really great. I am glad I checked this out for my Soshiversary series. And yeah, we're at day 10, tomorrow day 11, and then only 2 more days until Girl Generation's anniversary is finally here. And yeah, I couldn't be more happy about this. This is such a fun journey so far, and yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying it as well. If you did, leave a like. Subscribe if you want to, comment down below, all that stuff, you know what's the deal. And yeah, thank you as always for watching, guys. See you all next time, and auf Wiedersehen.